Hello everyone, it's Kane Weather here. Today we're talking about the severe weather threat that's ongoing tonight. Not only ongoing tonight, but the severe weather threat that's going to be going on tomorrow and the possible tornado outbreak. You heard me right. Tornado outbreak that's going to be possible on this Tuesday. So you definitely want to watch today's video and so you know where the severe weather will be because this could be a very big severe weather event that's going to be going on Tuesday. So I'll give you that exact area and yes, and the exact details on who will see the severe weather at what time Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday and Wednesday, not just Tuesday, Wednesday as well. So stay tuned, I'll give you the exact details. But talking about right now, we do have some severe thunderstorm watches which are in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for parts of Pennsylvania and New Jersey here, including the city of Trenton. You guys are in a severe thunderstorm watch here until 8 p.m. So that is our severe thunderstorm watches. Not really much going on right now, but so I want to go and show you today's severe weather threat that's ongoing tonight, because we still could see some severe weather tonight. So I think this is tomorrow's threat. So oh no, this is today's threat. Sorry. So let's go and take a look at today's threat, go ongoing tonight, where we do have 3 areas of a slight risk still in effect. So make sure you have a way to get those alerts, because this could be a very late night situation here for severe weather in these 3 areas here. So yes, again, late night situation here going to be happening in these 3 areas here. And I should give an update on this tomorrow. So I'll give you a severe weather update tomorrow. So make sure to subscribe and have that bell notifications on so you don't miss any video. So we start off with the one over here. Again, slight risk means large hail, damaging winds, 40 winds maxing of 60 miles per hour. This includes parts of Ohio, West Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and a little bit of Connecticut there for severe weather. So just a little bit of Connecticut here for severe weather here. So yeah, tip of Connecticut, a little bit of New York too, Delaware. But yes, that is our slight risk in that area there for severe weather. We have another one right here, parts of Kansas and Colorado right here for severe weather. So again, you can see up to 40 to 60 mile per hour winds, large hail. Yes, so that's ongoing tonight, and make sure you have a way to get those alerts once again, because we could see some severe weather still going tonight. And we go to our last area here, which is in Montana, central Montana here, where we do have another slight risk in that area here for severe weather, and just in central Montana there. So yes, that is our slight risk ongoing tonight. Now, before I get any further into tornado risk and any severe weather outbreak or tornado outbreak, I would ask that you do subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed today's video and you want to see future weather videos. But let's go ahead and take a look at our tornado threat, which is going to be going on through tonight. Again, tonight's threat is very, very low. Our main concern tonight is just going to be in this area here, but also in these other areas here. But yes, that is our severe weather, that's our tornado threat going on tonight. Very low, but that doesn't mean, just because it's a super low 2% risk, doesn't mean you won't see a tornado at all. You could definitely see a tornado warning or tornado pop up, and in that case, you need to be in your shelter. But make sure you definitely have a way to get those alerts, because we definitely could rule out a tornado. So let's go and take a look at our hail threat ongoing tonight. And yes, we do see that we do have one area here in central Montana. Again, Montana's not going to miss out on anything. Neither is the other areas. We do have the worst of the hail for here. So move your cars in. Move anything that could be damaged by hail. Definitely do not be out in it. So yes, definitely move that inside if you're worried about your car or anything else that could be hailed on. Get away from windows. Definitely. You see all those green shaded areas? That's our 5% risk, and this is our 15% risk in that yellow shaded area there. But yes, that is our severe weather. Now I want to go ahead and show you our wind threat ongoing tonight. And yes, we do see our wind threat in all 3 areas here tonight for severe weather. So again, our wind threat is in all three areas here for severe weather. There's not one area that's the worst here. But yes, that is our wind threat. Now what I want to go and show you is tomorrow's threat, which I will give a weather update on this in tomorrow's video. But right now, it looks like we have a slight risk right here in parts of Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, a little bit of Virginia there is in the slight risk tomorrow. So yes, we do have a slight risk. Again, max winds up to 60 miles per hour, and some tornadoes could be ruled out. And we do see that one here, another slight risk here, which is probably one of the worst areas here for tomorrow. And we could see an enhanced risk in that circle area that you see right there. We could see a tornado warning, or any tornadoes issued there. Because we do have a 5% tornado risk, which I'll show you that exact area coming up. But we do have a 5% tornado risk in this area here too. So that's why it could be upgraded to an enhanced risk there. So this is one of the worst. But we do, not as bad as that other slight risk area, but again, winds 50 to 60 miles per hour, a tornado warning could be issued, and large hail damaging winds possible in this area. So this one also includes parts of North Dakota, Montana, and parts of Wyoming there, and that slight risk there. But again, that one near Iowa and Minnesota, that could be really severe and change to an enhanced risk. So that's why I'm going to give you an update tomorrow. But let's go and take a look at our tornado threat. And this is what I was talking about, our tornado threat. We have two areas here that we're watching out here. So we have 2% area over here for parts of the eastern United States there. But we have a big area here, a 5% risk here for tornadoes. And if you're in the 2% risk, that doesn't mean you won't get a tornado warning at all. You could definitely see a tornado warning pop up. But yes, a big area. This is why I was saying the slight risk was definitely the biggest right here, because we have a 5% tornado risk. Again, that's a pretty big tornado threat. And we have a 2% surrounding that for almost the entire state of Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, South Dakota, and little tiny bit of North Dakota right there. But yes, it does include all those states. But yes, again, 5% tornado risk in the circled area right there. But yes, that is our severe weather threat tomorrow, which I will give a video update, like I said. Now let's go and take a look at our hail threat tomorrow, which we do have a pretty big area here of hail. Not in that circle area I'm circling right now, but we have one right here that includes parts of Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota. North Dakota and parts of Wyoming. Again, it's basically just the same area as a slight risk, so it's over here. But yeah, definitely move your cars in the garage if you don't want them to get hailed on. Or stay away from windows. Definitely stay away from windows, as hail could break them. And if you see in those green shaded areas there, that's where our 5% hail is. If you see hail, it should be smaller than the yellow risks here, but still could see some hail possible. Now let's go and take a look at our wind threat for tomorrow. So this is our wind threat. As you can see, we do have a pretty big area of a wind threat right here. Just the same area as a hail threat in both of these areas right here. But as you can see, we do have a wind threat over here. Now the wind threat is including in this area, basically the slight risk area for tomorrow. But yes, those are areas of wind. And you see that green shaded area. You could see some wind, but definitely not as big as gusts as you can see in the yellow shaded areas. So now what I want to go and show you is the probability outlook, which this is one of the big reasons I'm making a video too, because we do have a 15% probability of a big risk being issued here. So look at this area, parts of North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, and Colorado here all have the probability of being in a big risk. So 15% chance, even though that's a low number, doesn't mean it has a super low chance of being in a big threat. We definitely probably will see a big threat issued. Again, this is not even just a normal threat. This is a chance of it being a big threat. This is the probability outlook. So yes, that is our biggest concern area. So now what I want to go ahead and show you is our models here. So let's go and take a look here at our the European model starting Tuesday as we get into this other severe weather event that's going to be going on here. So we start out at about midnight Tuesday. We just see some showers and thunderstorms. So again, it's about 6 a.m. Tuesday. You start waking up, getting ready to go to work, or just waking up and starting the day. You start to see some really strong storms start to pop up in Iowa here. So it's starting that, and we have another start to severe weather popping up in parts of North Dakota here and South Dakota. So yes, but then we go ahead and take a look here at about noon here. The severe weather is pretty low here, just some pop-up showers and thunderstorms here in parts of the area here. But this is when things start to really fire up. Again, same thing about 6 p.m. But at about midnight that night, about Wednesday at midnight, things really start to fire up here. I'd say about midnight on Wednesday. Again, this is why I said Wednesday's included in this. Wednesday's not going to miss out on the severe weather. As you can see in that area right there, we do have that big line of storms right here. Look at this line of storms here. So again, big line of storms here for severe weather. So yes, that is one of our biggest areas. Now, and then, yes, then they stick around and from 6 a.m. Wednesday, but then they start to fade off. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the other models. So this right here is the surface-based cape here. So again, surface-based cape is pretty normal here. You start to see some of that big area here, but there's not a lot of energy. So as you can see, Monday we do have some severe weather, big cape, but look at on Tuesday. Wow! Just compare this to one of the first days. Big area of surface-based cape here, which indicates surface-based cape gives us an idea of how bad the severe weather will be. But look at that big widespread area of purple. That's a really bad sign. This could be a really bad severe weather event this day. Hope you guys stay weather aware and stay safe. This could be a really bad thing. And about Wednesday, still, look at that. Not as widespread, and not as widespread, yes, but still see a lot of purple here for severe weather. And then we go ahead and take a look here at about, this is Thursday, so notice how there's still some purple, but notice how it really is not so widespread. And yes, just notice how it's not so widespread, and just compare this to another normal day. You see purple, but notice how it's not like the bright purple here. So yes, definitely calmer on the normal days here. So now, that's about it for today's video. I'm going to go ahead and show you our bulk shear real quick, then I'm going to go ahead and start ending the video. So this is our bulk shear here. So as you go ahead and take a look at our bulk shear here, just wait for it to load up here. We definitely see the bulk shear start to fire up. But notice how you're probably going to be like, well, Caden, the bulk shear is really lots of red here, but the severe weather is mostly going to be on Tuesday. Well, that has to do with energy. If maybe there's a lot of bulk shear, but there's not a lot of energy to get storms starting firing up, yeah, that won't do anything. But when there's a lot of energy plus bulk shear, that means severe weather. And as we see here, we see a lot of energy and bulk shear here. And the bulk shear starts to move in North and South Dakota and Nebraska, where we saw that probability, which means some severe weather. And then it starts to fade off. And notice the difference here. Notice how, like, on a normal basis without severe weather, notice how there's only blue and almost nothing over here. But notice the difference. So yes, severe weather possible. But I know this was a long video, guys, but I still make sure you subscribe to give an update. I'll give you an update on this tomorrow. But I know this was a long video, but I have a lot to explain, but make sure you stay safe, stay weather. We're going to have a big tornado threat tomorrow, so definitely stay safe, be on alert, stay weather aware, and be on alert Tuesday and Wednesday, where we definitely have a big probability of severe weather. So definitely be on alert. See that red subscribe button right there? Click on that to subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell icon so you stay weather aware and stay safe. But definitely subscribe to my channel if you like weather related content. So leave a like, subscribe, stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!